Good evening, everyone. Thanks for tuning in with us. I'm Fox West Texas meteorologist Britton Musall. Today we had above average temperatures at San Angelo Mathis Airport, 102 that recorded high. That's 3 degrees above where we should be this time of year, 99 that's typical high for this time of year. Thankfully, it is a bit cooler than that record of 110 set back in 1944. Since we hit that high, since the sun gone down, we have cooled off just a little bit. 93 in San Angelo, 91 up in Taylor County, 92 in Comanche. Pretty much all across the viewing area, we've cooled into the 90s. Now, recently with that heat dome, it's been hot, it's been really dry all across West Texas. Looking at our drought monitor, we can see it's abnormally dry in places like San Angelo, places like Abilene. We got that moderate drought over most of our viewing area, but if you take a look at the southeastern portion, that's where the drought is most intense. Thankfully, we're not at heat warning criteria at this moment, even though we've had a lot of those this past week, really this whole summer. Tomorrow morning is still going to be pretty warm though, but not as warm as it has been. We'll be waking up to the mid 70s, 75 your forecasted low tomorrow. You're probably going to want that large iced coffee though as you're waking up to your Saturday, maybe doing some yard work. This is definitely the best time to do it before it really starts to heat up. 100 even your forecasted high for Saturday, a little bit warmer on your Sunday, 102. As you can see here, really the whole area will be warmer on your Sunday. That's because of this heat dome. This high pressure is going to start to strengthen. It's weakened over the past couple of days, and it'll be a little weaker on Saturday, which is why we're going to see those cooler temperatures, right at the triple digit mark. But heading into early next week, that Sunday to Tuesday time frame, I'm forecasting this dome to move off to the east, move over places like north central Texas, central Oklahoma, and as it does so, it's going to strengthen. And that's why looking ahead at the 7-day, 100 your forecasted high on Saturday, 102 on Sunday, 103 on Monday. We're really getting close, flirting with that 105 mark. As we do so in Abilene as well, in the early part of next week, I'm anticipating the National Weather Service is going to issue some heat-related warnings. Now, given how little rain, you'll notice that rain is remarkably absent in my 7-day forecast. We'll also be keeping an eye on fire weather, so if you're doing anything outdoors with an open flame, be sure to exercise lots of caution. But really, the big story is the heat, Esmeralda. Back to you.
Thank you, Britton. Now, we're all trying to stay cool these days, but